Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the dash precisely. Why this matters is fit and clean edges. Once measured, lay material over the surface and mark cut lines with a fine marker. Make conservative cuts so you can trim later. You should clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils, then tape edges to hold the template. Make the first cuts using scissors for curves and a utility blade for straight lines, because controlled cuts prevent gaps and bubbling later. Once the template fits, position the material and anchor the center so you can work outward. This minimizes trapped air. Use a heat gun on low to soften vinyl or faux leather, then gently stretch into concave areas. This conforms the fabric and keeps seams tight. Make incremental trims as you go rather than one large cut, because controlled removal maintains alignment. Finally, press seams with seam tape or automotive adhesive to lock edges and prevent peeling over time. You finish by reinstalling trim, testing vents and sensors to ensure nothing interferes with function. This step prevents surprises. Next, apply edge sealant or 3M seam sealer at high-stress joints to stop lifting. If you find bubbles or misaligned sections, lift the area, reheat lightly, smooth with a roller, and press with adhesive. This fixes most issues without starting over. Make sure to allow proper cure time per adhesive instructions so the bond reaches full strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.